Hello students. So in last lecture we have completed 5 blanks of question number 3. So next 6 number, start write down this in your notebook. So continue 6 number. 10 less than 100 is less means we have to subtract 10 from 100. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So 10 less than 100 is 90, means 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Then 7 number, take away 20 from 70. So take away means subtraction. Subtract 20 from 70. Take away 20 from 70. So we have to subtract 20 from 70. 70 minus 20 is equal to 50. 20 means 10 plus 10, 2 times 10 means 20. So 70 minus 10 is 60 and 60 minus 10, 50. So answer of 7, 50. Take away 20 from 70 is equal to 50. So answer of 7 number is 50. Then 8 number is take away 15 from 75, means 75 minus 15. Take away 15 from 75. So 75 minus 15 is equal to 60. 15 means 10 plus 5. So subtract 5 from 75. So 70, and then 70 minus 10 is equal to 60. So answer of 8 is 60. Take away 15 from 75 is equal to 60. Then 9 number, take away 7 from 7. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Answer of 9 is 0. Take away 7 from 7. So is equal to 0. Then 10 number, 76 less than 76 is equal to blank. So 76 less than 76. 76 minus 76 is equal to 0. 76 less than 76. So 76 minus 76 is equal to 0. Then 11 number, 19 less than 90. Means we have to subtract 19 from 90. 19 less than 90 means 90 minus 19. So 19 means 10 plus 9. So first of all subtract 10 from 90 is 80, and then 80 minus 9 is 71. So 19 means 10 plus 9. So 90 minus 10 is 80, and 80 minus 9 is 71. So answer of 11 is 71. So 19 less than 90 is equal to 11. 71. 12 number 12 less than 60. So we have to subtract 12 from 60. 12 less than 60 means 60 minus 12. So 12 means 10 plus 2. So first of all subtract 10 from 60 and then subtract 2. So 60 minus 10, 50. Then 50 minus 2 is equal to 48. So 12 less than 60 is 48. So again 12 means 10 plus 2. So first of all subtract 10 from 60. Then subtract 2. So 60 minus 10 is 50 and 50 minus 2 48. So 12 less than 60 is equal to 48. So answer of 12 is equal to 48. Then question number 4. Question number 4. Give the heading, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 4. In that, first is to find sum of any two numbers, we should blank the numbers. So sum means what? Addition. So to find the sum of any two numbers, we should add the numbers. So answer of 1 is add. To find sum of any two numbers, we should add the numbers. So in blank write down add. Then second, to find difference between any two numbers, we should blank the numbers. To find the difference between any two numbers, we should subtract the numbers. So answer is subtract. Difference means subtraction. So to find difference between any two numbers, we should subtract the numbers. Then third number, subtract the smallest two-digit number from the greatest two-digit number. Subtract the smallest two-digit number from the greatest two-digit number. So the smallest two-digit number is, you know that the smallest two-digit number is 10 and the greatest two-digit number is 99. Then after 99, 100 is there and 100 is 3-digit number. So the smallest two-digit number is 10 and greatest two-digit number is 99. So question is subtract the smallest two-digit number from the greatest two-digit number. So 99 minus 10 is equal to 89. Smallest two-digit number is 10 and greatest two-digit number is 99. And we have to subtract smallest two-digit number from the greatest two-digit number. So 99 minus 10 is equal to 89. So answer of third is 99 minus 10 is equal to 89. Then question number 5. Choose the best answer. Give the heading question number 5. Choose the best answer. In that first, sum of 100 and 200 is blank. So option is 300 or 400. So 200 plus 100 is equal to 300. So answer is 300. So sum of 100 and 200 is 300. Answer is 300. Then second number, double of 35 means 35 two times. So it is 75 or 70. So 35 plus 35. So let's add this. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 3 7. So 35 two times is equal to 70. So option is 75 or 70. So 70 is the right answer. Double of 75 is 70. Third number, add 70 to 30. You get, means we have to do addition of 70 and 30. Add 70 to 30. So option is 100 or 90. So 30 means 10, 10, 10 three times. You can write 30 as 10 plus 10 plus 10. 70 plus 10 is 80. Then 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 10 is 100. So answer is 100. Add 70 to 30, you get 100. So 100 is the right answer. Then question number 6. Fill in the missing numbers. Give the heading fill in the missing numbers. In that first one, 37 plus 9 is equal to blank. So 37 plus 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 9 plus 7 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 6 here and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 3, 4. So answer is 46. 37 plus 9 is equal to 46. So answer of first is 46. Then second number 65 minus 3. 65 minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. So it is 1 and 2. So 5 minus 3, 2. Then 6 as it is. So 65 minus 3 is equal to 62. So answer of second is 62. 65 minus 3 is equal to 62. Third number 66 minus 55. 6 minus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Minus 5. So subtract 5 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1 is remain. Answer is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then again 6 minus 5, 1. So here you have to write down 55. If you subtract 55 from 66, then you get 100 as an answer. So in this blank, you have to write down 55. Four number 46 plus 21. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 2, 6. So 46 plus 21 is equal to 67. Answer of 4 is equal to 67. Five number 36 is equal to blank plus 9. So in which number if we add 9 then we get 36. So answer is 27. So to find that answer we have to subtract 9 from 36. 36 minus 9. So 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. So subtract 6 from 36 is 30. Then 30 minus 3, 27. So if we add 27 in 9, then we get 36. So 36 is equal to blank plus 9. So in this blank answer is 27. Sixth number 40 plus blank is equal to 76. So again to get which number you have to add in 40 to get 76. So subtract 40 from 76, then whatever number is remain that you have to add in 40 to get 76. So 76 minus 40. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 4, 3. So in this blank, write down 36. 40 plus 36 is equal to 76. 7 number 57 minus 37 blank is equal to 20. So we have to subtract which number from 57 to get the answer 20. So answer is 37. 57 minus 37 is equal to 20. Then 8 number 47 is equal to 37 plus blank. So 37 plus 10 is equal to 47. Answer of 8 is equal to 10. Then question number 7. Observe the data and answer the question. Question number 7. Observe the data and answer the questions. So here data of fruits liked by students of a school is given. In that students and number of fruits means name of fruits, oranges and mangoes. In that number of boys means how many boys like oranges and how many boys like mangoes are given, and how many girls like oranges and how many girls like mangoes is given. So from that table you have to answer the following questions. So first question is, how many students like oranges? So here you can see that total 136 boys and 128 girls like oranges. So to find the total number of students who like oranges, we have to add 136 and 128. So how many students like oranges? So answer is 136 plus 128. So 136 plus 128. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer 264. So total 264 students like oranges. Here is the sum. Then second question, how many students like mangoes? So here you can see that total 240 boys like mangoes and 243 girls like mangoes. So to find the total number of students, we have to add 240 and 243. So here is the sum. 0 plus 3 is 3, 4 plus 4 8 and 2 plus 2 4. So answer is 483. Total 240 boys and 243 girls. So number of total student is 483. Then see how many students are there in the school. So total student means number of girls plus number of boys. Means 264 plus 260 483. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So answer is 747. So 264 plus 483 is equal to 747. So there are total 747 students are there in the school. Then D is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350. So here you can see that number of girls 128 and 243. So 200 plus 100 is 300, and then 43 plus 28 is more than 50. So number of girls is more than 350. Answer of D is more than 350. Is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? So answer is more than 350. So that's all for today. You have to write this all in your notebook. In next lecture we will do continue from here. Thank you.